Programming is everywhere. It's the invisible force that powers our digital world. From the apps on our phones to the websites we browse, everything is made possible by lines of code.
Think of programming as a language. Just like we use English or Spanish to communicate, programmers use languages like Python or Java to talk to computers. They write instructions that tell computers what to do, step by step.
These instructions, called code, are the building blocks of our digital world. They allow us to create software, websites, and even control robots. Without programming, our lives would be drastically different.
Programming is the engine driving the technological revolution. It's a powerful tool that's constantly evolving, shaping the future before our very eyes. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It's about building systems that can analyze data, make decisions, and even solve problems. AI is all around us. It's in the recommendations we get on streaming services, the spam filters in our email, and even the self-driving cars being developed.
AI is rapidly changing the world, automating tasks, providing insights, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
But here's the thing, AI wouldn't exist without programming. Programming is the foundation upon which AI is built. It's the key to unlocking the potential of intelligent machines.
AI systems are like students. They need to be taught how to think and learn. That's where programming comes in. Programmers provide the initial instructions, the algorithms that allow AI to process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions.
They feed AI massive amounts of data and write the code that helps AI learn from this data. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You give them instructions, show them how it's done, and let them practice. Programming AI is similar.
Programmers provide the guidance and structure, allowing AI to learn and improve over time. Without programming, AI would be nothing more than a theoretical concept. It's the bridge between human intelligence and machine intelligence.
Section 4. The human touch, programmers and AI working together. Some people worry that AI will replace programmers altogether. But the truth is, programmers and AI need each other. They work best as a team.
Programmers are essential for developing, training, and refining AI systems. They provide the creativity, ingenuity, and problem-solving skills that AI currently lacks.
Think of it this way. Programmers are the architects, and AI systems are the construction workers. Programmers design the blueprints, set the parameters, and oversee the process, while AI does the heavy lifting, processing vast amounts of data and executing tasks at lightning speed.
This collaboration allows us to achieve things that were once thought impossible. It's a partnership that's pushing the boundaries of innovation.
Section 5. The future of intelligence, collaboration, and beyond. The future of programming and AI is intertwined. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the role of the programmer.
We can expect to see even more sophisticated AI systems that can perform increasingly complex tasks. This will require programmers to develop new languages, tools, and frameworks to keep pace with AI's rapid advancement.
But one thing is certain, the demand for skilled programmers will only continue to grow. The need to understand, manage, and direct AI will be paramount in the years to come.
We are entering an era of unprecedented technological advancement, and collaboration between humans and machines will be key to unlocking its full potential.
Section 6. A universe of possibilities, where programming and AI can take us. The possibilities of programming and AI are limitless. From curing diseases to exploring the cosmos, these technologies have the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges.
Imagine a future where AI assists doctors in diagnosing illnesses with incredible accuracy, where personalized learning plans cater to each student's unique needs, and where renewable energy sources power our cities, thanks to AI-driven optimization.
The journey has just begun, and we are only scratching the surface of what's possible. As we delve deeper into the realms of programming and AI, we are unlocking a future filled with wonder, innovation, and the potential to create a better world for all.
It's a future that we, as humans, will shape together, guided by the power of code and the boundless possibilities of artificial intelligence.